Hello guys, my name is Emma Robaziakwa and welcome to my YouTube channel. On this channel, I teach you ways by which I make money online. So once I try things out and they work for me, I bring them here so that you also can duplicate the actions and even earn more than I do. So today I'm going to be teaching you how you can make money online just by receiving text message on your phone, on your phone. So in this video tutorial, you'll be needing two things. One, you'll be needing a PayPal account because that's where you're going to be receiving your funds, and you'll be needing a smartphone with an internet connection. So I'll guide you through, I'll hold you by the hands, and I'll teach you all you need to know about this. So if you are new to this channel, please do well to click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification button. What this does is whenever I post videos on how you make money online, YouTube will notify you first so you can take action immediately. So I'll get down to the video tutorial. So the first thing, like I said, you need is a PayPal account. So if you are in the US, you are in the UK, you are in Bangladesh, Philippines, Nigeria, Ghana, you can actually tap into this opportunity. Now let me warn you, this is not a get rich quick scheme. So if you are thinking of coming to make like $1,000 in a week or a month, this is not for you. So I would advise that you stay away from this. But if you are planning on getting income and getting them accrued over time, then this is actually for you, and I would like you to follow me to the end so you can get the maximum benefits from this video. So like I said, what you need first is your PayPal account, and I'll teach you what to do and how you can open your PayPal account. So first thing you do is go to your Chrome browser. You can do this using your mobile phone, you can do this using your computer, you can do this using your tablets. So here I am. So you click on the search or type web address, and once you click on search or type web address, you click on www.paypal.com. So once you click on www.paypal.com, it loads. So like as you can see, I'm from Nigeria, and automatically PayPal brings me to my Nigerian dashboard homepage. So I'm from Nigeria, and in Nigeria I cannot open a PayPal account that can receive fund. So in some countries like Nigeria where you can receive funds, this is what you do. So I'm going to open a new tab. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to search www.paypal.ls. So I click on www.paypal.ls. Okay. I think I'm getting something wrong. So PayPal/ls, sorry. So once you click on www.paypal/ls, you can see the interface is different. Look at that of Nigeria. The interface is different, and you can only open a PayPal account that can only send payment but can't receive payment. So this is what you are going to do if you are from a country that cannot receive payment. For you to be able to open a PayPal account, this is what you are going to do. So what you do now is click on get started. So once you click on get started, what we are going to do here is we are going to be creating a business account. So we are going to be creating a business account, a Lesotho PayPal account. So it's loading. So you input your email. So once you input your email, you click on continue and you fill in your details in the next pages you get. So I won't really be bothering you with details on this. So I have a link in the description below that has a full video tutorial on how you can open a PayPal account from anywhere in the world, and it works perfectly for 2021 and beyond. So once you have your PayPal account ready, so the next thing you do is there's a link in the description below. It is called, the name of the app where you make money is called Mark Money app. So you can come here and click on and type Mark Money app, markmoneyapp.com. But if you use my link in the description below, it's an affiliate link. They get to pay us some affiliate commission. So you click on markmoneyapp.com. Now this is the website. So I advise that you go through the website. This is the website. They pay you few bucks. As you can see, this is the review. They pay you few bucks just for sending you texts. So you can read how they work here. And all they need is just for you to register. Register with your mobile number. You just be receiving a bunch of random text, and they pay you for that. And this company has been in existence for a very long time now, so they are legit. So once you do that, you click on download the application. Once you click on the application, you open an account with them. I already have an account. So let me just take you to the account. So the minimum payout is $1. So once you even get to $1, you can easily cash your money out. So this is the app, and if you want to maximize your outputs, like your income here, you can go to referral. You can see they pay you $0.26 per referral, and this is a very good way of boosting your income in this app. This is a very good way. Imagine you invite tons of people, and this is a free method, so anybody can join from anywhere in the world. So all you need is just to promote your referral link and get people to sign up. So once people sign up, you get referral bonus. So once you do that, just check through. So, and that's it. So this is the app. It's called markmoneyapp.com, and they pay you a few cents. Yeah, that's small money, but once you gather a few cents, they become something, tiny droplets of water make the ocean. So guys, this is the Make Money Online, one of the Make Money Online apps. And if you've watched the video till this moment, I really want to say thank you. And please don't forget to click the subscribe button and turn on the notification button. If you like this video, please like and share to your friends so they can also benefit from this. So guys, thank you very much for staying with me to the end. See you in the next video. Bye.